Pip the squirrel found a golden acorn. He became so greedy that he tried to hide it. Pip held a piece of bark over his eyes. He thought he could block out the sun. He spent the day shivering at the top of a tree. He was convinced he had plunged the forest into darkness. He wanted to protect his prize. His friends were enjoying a berry feast below. It was in the bright sunlight. He dropped the bark and finally understood. His greed blinded him to the joy of the world. Greed disconnects you from shared happiness.